Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's tutorial, I did this pink half-cut crease look. I don't know if it has a specific name for it. If you're interested to get this look, please keep watching. To moisturize my skin, I'm using the Clinique Moisturizing Gel. I'm using the MAC Eyeshadow Primer in the shade Soft Ochre. For this eyeshadow look, I will be using the Rose Gold Huda Beauty palette, and now I'm taking the shade Bay and I'm going to dab it all over the eyelid. Next I'm taking the shade Shy and I'm blending it on the crease and out a little bit and on the outer corner of my eye. To darken the pink, I'm using the shade Flamingo over the eyeshadow I blended first. To cut the crease, I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Light Sand. Now I'm using the shade Moonlight over the concealer. For the eyeliner, I will be using the Sephora Liquid Eyeliner in the shade Black. Moving on to the face, I will be using the Lancome Primer. For my foundation, I'm using the Laura Mercier Candle Glow in the shade Honey. To contour and highlight, I'm using the medium Anastasia Beverly Hills Contouring Kit. To set my concealer, I'm using the Ben Nye Banana Powder. Now back to the eyes, I'm using the shade Flamingo underneath my waterline. And on the waterline, to make it darker, I'm using the Estee Lauder Double Wear Eyeliner. To fill in and shape my eyebrows, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Pomade in the shade Soft Brown. For the highlight, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Glow in the shade Perla. To outline my lips, I'm using the Bite Lip Liner in the shade number 22. And last but not least, I'm using the Tarte Lip Paint in the shade Birthday Suit.